It's me! It's me! Okay, so, day 3 of making the dirt bike track. And so far, it's been great. There's some traffic in the background, sorry about that, but it's just a quick short video today. It's like the rest I'm gonna do today. So I gotta do my homework. I won't be getting home until late. And then I'll show you guys the end, the track at the end. Here it is.